Maple TA End of Semester Summary Assignment, question number 14. Dustin Johnson is a professional golfer. In an article posted on golf.com in 2011, Johnson's athletic trainer explained that Johnson was an outstanding athlete who excelled in many ways. He compared Johnson's athletic ability to players in other sports. The trainer was quoted as saying, "Dustin's standing broad jump puts him in the 93rd percentile among NBA players." Which of the following is the best interpretation of this quote? Dustin Johnson can jump 93% further than most players in the NBA. Dustin Johnson's standing broad jump is as good or better than 93% of the players in the NBA. Dustin Johnson's standing broad jump is worse than that of 93% of the players in the NBA. Dustin Johnson's standing broad jump is 93% longer this year than it was last year. The average length of Dustin Johnson's standing broad jump is 93% more than the average length of the standing broad jump of players in the NBA. Okay, let's talk about percentiles really quick. This is something that is given to parents when they take their children in to be measured and weighed. So let's talk about the height of children. If I have a child that's in the 50th percentile, that means if I were to take all children that child's age and line them up from short to tall, from the shortest to the tallest, all of the kids, the 50th percentile means that that child will be right in the middle and all the other children will be at that height or less than, or shorter. So if I have a child in the 93rd percentile, that means not that that child's going to be the only child at 93. It means there's other kids that are also at 93, right? But that all the kids who are shorter than them, so it's 93% of all kids will be that height or shorter. Same with this one. If Dustin is standing broad jump is in the 93rd percentile, that means his broad jump numbers, they are at that, or with all of the NBA players, will be that same length or shorter or smaller. So let's find the one that matches. That's it right here, right? Dustin Johnson's standing broad jump is as good as or better than 93% of all players. The good as means that they're going to have that exact same standing broad jump, but his is going to be better than 93%. So everybody else in that 93 percentile is going to be less than or his distance. So this is our answer right here for that.